okay, that first of yes grant. So administrative, just follow up. Clarify anything you need. Second one, that was more of an interesting case of entrepreneur, real estate finance. But what I really want to cover today is what both of them have in common in terms of addressing the right market. So week one, we covered the soft aspects of entrepreneurial finance, quality of management. Week two, we covered the harder scientific of new venture valuation. Week three, we go back to the soft one. Then week four, we go back to the harder. So week three, we cover market analysis. Okay, week four, we talk about VC term sheets. So today, we're going to see, I cover that in importance. So if you see, if you talk to a VC, they will, how they read I'll tell you how they read a business plan. I can't tell you how to write one, but I'll tell you how to read one. They'll start from the back. And if the numbers are large enough, they go to the front. Then the first thing they look at is the management team. If they are credible, then flip to the second page. Second page, then they look at markets. If it's not, okay, what I'll cover is the second. So in order of priority, valuation, management team, markets. So then I'll cover markets. Now, what is markets? What lessons did all the market researchers and academics learn about writing a business plan address the VC? VC doesn't just look at your company. They are looking at you as a whole package. So they are looking, you're trying to transmit to them credibility indicators. Whether we can take this plan forward. You're trying to transmit to them, they'll be relying on character references. So the prospect must show the company as well as the product. It's not only about the product alone. Demand is hard to understand until it exists. If by the time a market research firm analyze the data and find that the real estate company that's indeed a market, it's too late. The market has probably already been taken. It's great ocean. Now, but you still need to do your market research. The core objective is for discipline and to show the investors that you have done your homework. That's the core reason for market research. By the time you wait for available market research to come out, too late. War is over. Now, time is of essence. Every second delay works against you because as a startup, your best bet is to find a niche in the intersection of two spaces. Now, if you think about it, if you are Microsoft, you are starting a software company. What's stopping them from taking over you and copying your idea 100%? The only reason is that they are big. So the bigger they are, the harder they fall, and the slower they move. So they are incumbent by their bureaucracy and they're slower they react. So as a startup, the only competitive advantage you have is speed. So time works against you. You don't have the best sales force. Usually it's just a one-man thing. Then as you grow bigger, you hire your sales force. You start with little or no brand equity. In fact, you have no brand until you devote some resources to market and build your brand. Okay, and consumer loyalty doesn't belong to you. They belong to competitors because you have no loyalty. So they can readily cut prices and you are at your mercy. Your first customer or channel can be at the end. I'll talk about customers later, platinum, gold, silver. Okay, if you look at a handout, flip it to the last page. There is the common, there's one more, yes. Look at the table of ticks and checks. Okay, broadly, now a market is as important as a good enough market, meaning that it doesn't have to be the first best market. The usual value proposition by inexperienced entrepreneur, you'll say that, oh, it's a China bicycle story. China has 10 billion people. Now I'm selling a bicycle. 1% of them buy a bicycle, I'm going to be big. So that's wrong. That's the wrong way to approach it. The best way to approach it is to look at what is the believable segment of the market that you can capture. So you are looking at how the market is shifting and the margins. The markets, the sector size, market growth rate. Do you have an anchor customer? Are you believable? What stage of your maturity? That's the first of magnitude. So it must be a large enough magnitude. Second one is velocity. Is it growing? Now a large market and a fast growing market are two different things. Now China is a large market. It's also a fast growing market. Now you look at Brazil. Large market, but is it fast growing? may not be, right? So must be fast, it's usually compounded with high risk. The second thing is, I'll talk later a bit, is it a vitamin or a pain pill? Now, does it cure pain? Or is it just a supplement? Evidence of pain pill usually are indicated by customers invented work about it. Two, they have their call for proposal in short timeline. So you can tell that it's a pain point. Whereas supplements is, they can get by without it. Okay, margins. Okay, I'll talk a little bit about that. High benefit to cost ratio, short payback periods, ability to price discriminate. So you look at how you're going to use it for your ES startup application. Look at the box in your handout. Okay, now assume you have your business idea already. You should have started thinking because it's still on week 6. Now ask yourself each of those questions. How believable are some of the answers to your questions? You look at the one that are the strongest, most believable ones will be, do you have a reference customer in hand? Is there a customer or at least prospect in a pitch that you can work with? Now that alone fulfills most of the credibility, delay, reach indicators. So if you remember the financing chart which I'll show you, if you have a reference customer, this alone is very convincing. Now how does the reference customer help you reach into? Does he introduce other reference customer? How do you reach your lead? How do you develop your leads? How do your leads develop into other customers? Bring customers for you. So that's markets lah. But I want to stress that you just need a good enough market. You don't need to have the biggest market, you don't need to have the fastest growing market, you don't need to have the market with the highest margins. You just need a good enough market. The more important thing is the value proposition. Okay, I mentioned this earlier. Market research data is seldom